Okay, first thing is you got 2 set screws. You want to oppose 90 degrees from the keyway. There's no key. Okay, this one's going. There we go. Then you just put it all the way on. Tighten the little set screws. The set screws they dimple the shaft good enough. Okay, and that's that guy. There you go. And now we put this on, and we always orient it. That's when the motor's on the foot, this is up. Can go this way, can go this way, can go this way, all depending on their plumbing. You got to be careful. You never want to put fingers down there. That magnet will smash your fingers.